Move to multi-source inventory. After logging in, you can get access to the inventory management system. For a product, you can see all products, create new one manually with this button, or import CSV file to either create new products or update existing ones. A CSV template can be downloaded just by clicking on this field. Categories are synchronized with your e-commerce platform. Click on this create button if you want to create another category. About warehouse, you can easily create warehouses over here and assign to the respective outlet, or use stock mapping to link them to your e-commerce platform. In inventory, you can manage your inventory by choosing the warehouse. Then add or set the quantity. A much easier way is using the CSV file. Both export and import buttons are available here. A CSV template can also be downloaded over here. Low stock is a place for you to check all items with available quantity lower than set the threshold. There's also a setting which allows a list of low stock items to be sent back to your email address every single day. With transfer start, you can make requests to transfer some product quantities from a warehouse to another. Inventory will be updated accordingly after completing the request. You just need to click on this create button here to make a request, then choosing the origin warehouse, destination warehouse, import the product file with quantity, or search for them manually over here. Stock text is a feature that lets you make requests to get quantities of all items or in some specific categories. Click on Create, set stock text name, choose Warehouse, then import the file, or click on Add all products, or choose Category. Then you can save the stock tag. After that, when you are ready, you can click on Start Count. Now you can use your barcode scanner, or you can manually count all your items in stock. Then the result can be seen over here. But in case some items with counted quantity lower than expected quantity, when you click on Review, you will see the difference. And this is when you have to have a look at it and do some investigation on this difference. When everything is done, click on Complete, and then the system will override the inventory automatically.